Welcome, friends. Today we will learn about rolling returns in this series of how to measure mutual fund returns. In last video, we have seen how to calculate absolute returns, compounded annual growth rate or CAGR. Then we have learned about extended internal rate of return or XIRR. Building upon same foundation, today we will see how to calculate rolling returns in this series as promised in last video. So first of all, what is rolling returns? Actually, rolling returns of a mutual fund scheme are annualized returns of the scheme on different dates for a specified investment tenure. It is calculated or rolling these rolling returns are calculated based on rolling period with beginning with certain dates and investment tenure. So two things is crucial here. Certain date to begin with. From that day, we will calculate each working day and investment period, maybe 1 year, 2 year, 5 years. So that can be in this period. So investment period and particular date. Two things is important. So let us share this Excel sheet from where it will be quite easier to understand how it is calculated. Of course, you can find the same information on all mutual fund website and third-party website like Money Control, Value Research Online, or Morningstar. There are so many websites. But if you understand how to calculate, if you can calculate, then your concept will be more clear and you can have inference as per your requirement and you can use this information in selection of mutual funds in better way. So it is important to know all the concept of rolling returns and how it is calculated. So let us share our screen and this. So let us suppose there is one scheme, one particular scheme of a mutual fund where you have invested. The starting date of investment is 2nd January 2021. This is only for explanation. Now, starting investment value is rupees 1 lakh and starting NAV, say 100.83. It may be different, but for example, we are taking this. Ending date 2nd January 2023 and in ending NAV is 161.83. So you got this information out of your investment. Based on this information, definitely you would like to know how much is your compounded annual growth rate or CAGR. As it is more than 1 year, so we will have CAGR only. And it is a lump sum investment, so we will have CAGR. We know, if it is a SIP, then we should have XIRR or extended internal rate of returns. So if you want to calculate CAGR, what you have to do? First of all, let us this number of units, how much you allotted in the beginning itself. So you can see this 1 lakh, this amount divided by this NAV or unit price of a scheme. So 100.83. So you will get allotted 991.7683 of unit. The ending value of investment. So how much will be this? So you know number of allotted units and ending NAV is this. If you will multiply this, you will get ending value of our investment. That is what we have done. This C10, this one, this number of units and multiplied by ending NAV. So we got ending value of our investment. So now we have both starting value of our investment and ending value of our investment and time frame of course this 2 year from here you can 21 23 you can. So now we can easily calculate CAGR as we have discussed in last chapter. So this will be ending value divided by starting value power 1 by 2. 2 is here time minus 1. So if you will apply this formula, we will get CAGR as 26.69. Up to here, you would have from last chapter some information. Of course, we make some structure here as per mutual fund scheme, any particular mutual fund scheme. Suppose your friend come to know about this return. He will be very happy and inquire something from you like this is 2 year return. Yes, of course, you have told him, right? But if he is impressed and invest now for another 2 years, whether they will get same return, it cannot be. Maybe less, maybe more, it depends. And this is with respect to particular date. If invested on 2nd January 2021 and redeemed on 2nd January 2023, only then this return is possible. If this date is vary, this return may not be there. As you know, this scheme NAV is fluctuating as per invested stocks. So let us understand some further how it happens. We can see here this. Suppose 2 years ago, this 1st January invested 1 lakh. And that time NAV is this one, 100.83. Then second working day, this Monday, this is Friday. So fourth, this 101.29. Then 5th January, we can see this. So this increasing, then decreasing. This will happen. Like this, we have invested for certain period. You continue with investment. And after 2 years, if you are calculating this return particular date, you get this date and return as you have calculated in last video and just now. So we can get here this return. If this for next working day, this 4th January, then this is 26.25, less than first one. And maybe after 1 week, it is only 24, less than 24. So this is the variation. And some more days, it is only 21%, less than 21%. So there is so much of variation we can see here. In actual, maybe more or less. So you can see from here these returns are changing every day. That is why the rolling returns concept came forth. Suppose we have invested for more than 2 years or something and want to calculate returns 2 years for each specific day. So each specific day we have calculated here. Every day we are calculating and getting this annualized return. From this data, we have taken only 27 for understanding, for explanation purpose. Otherwise, it can be more in 1 year around 220 is the market open, and so NAV will be for that much period. So we can have that much of data. Here, one thing we can see from this whole of this thing, this minimum return is 21.97%, and we can see this maximum is 30.3%. So we can see the fluctuation from 21 to 30. And average, if you are calculating this average, the sum of all this, and then this divided by 27, so we get this 25. So we can now safely say this return is 25%. Your friend can expect 25% plus minus this. We can see going to 30 and backside is around 21. So around 5% fluctuation is there. So in between, he can expect a return, not exactly as this first one is 27%. So it depends which day he invests and which day he redeems. Even if after 2 years, it can be more or less. If during the investment market is low due to any reason, then you will get more unit allotted with less NAV. And if market is at high position when you are redeeming, then your NAV will be more and you will get more return. Dream return is possible. If vice versa happens, when you are investing lump sum amount, market is in high, and after 2 years, if you are redeeming, and that time market is low due to any reason, there may not be any return, maybe return in negative or very negligible return. So we have to understand associated risk, and we have to see this rolling return in that perspective. If we have data for each day for last 2 years, then we can have inference how much returns fluctuation is there from where to where. And in that range only, our return is possible. Of course, it depends upon market condition at the time of investment, whether the market is in lower rank or middle or upper side. And while redeeming, how much is there? Of course, we can get all these information, all data from mutual fund website also. We can see rolling return there. If you find some value in discussion, please share with your friends and colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that whenever I'm posting any video, you will get instant notification. Till then, thank you. Bye.